There you go, record August Fáilte Robistock. Lovely now to have you with us this Wednesday evening, the 5th of February. Bit of a change on the cards for the weekend. We'll get into it in a moment's time. But first up, we'll open up the brand spanking new Rose Fitzgerald Kennedy Bridge. That's spanning the River Bar there, connecting Wexford and County Kilkenny. That comes in from Keith Harrison online. Now the longest bridge in the country at 887 metres. What a beauty. Anyway, in terms of our satellite feed, we have a good deal of cloud cover now on the way right across the next couple of days. So plenty of wind, plenty of rain into the weekend. So quite a wet, quite a windy one in store, with the risk of storm force winds and values there at 9 degrees Celsius. So do bear that in mind. Out and about now to some of your photos. Beautiful rainbow there across the Midlands, Portarlington and in County Laois, coming in from Rory McAvoy. And also, what a glorious shot here through Benbulben there. That's in Yates County, Sligo, coming in from Damien Kennedy online. So right across now into tonight. Really a similar picture to what we had last night. We'll be dry with good clear skies. Now, once again, that will allow for sharp frost to develop. Again, pockets of mist, pockets of fog, so be mindful if you're out and about on those roads. Quite cold in terms of those temperatures too, back to about freezing to -1. A little bit milder there for western and southern coasts at 4 to 6. So again, it will be cold, frosty start into tomorrow morning. Any mist and fog will lift and shift pretty lively. Lovely sunshine to northern and eastern spots. And as we work our way then through your day, we'll be mainly dry when in store with good sunny spells. Again, the best really into parts of Ulster onto the east coast of Leinster. In those freshening southerly winds, especially for those western and southern regions, valleys there in and around 7 to 9 degrees. Quite cloudy for our islands once again. We see pockets of sunshine through Ironmore and into the Aran Islands at 8 to 9. So in summary for tomorrow, the 6th of February, a good dry day in store with sunny spells and freshening southeasterly winds, valleys there at 9 degrees Celsius. To feature your videos or indeed your photos, drop me a line through any of our social media channels. Here's your 5-day forecast. Have a good one. Slán go fóill.